welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about. How to make money on Pinterest as a beginner. If you are looking to tap into the power of Pinterest to generate some income, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover essential strategies, tips and tools to help you get started. So let's jump right in. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about what Pinterest is and why it is such a great platform for making money. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform where users can find inspirations for various projects, from home decor to DIY crafts. Did you know that Pinterest has over 450 million monthly active users? That's a massive audience just waiting to discover your content. The unique thing about Pinterest is that it operates more like a search engine than a traditional social media platform. People use it to plan their purchases, which opens up great opportunities for monetization. For start making money on Pinterest, you need a Pinterest business account. Here's how to set up one. Next up is finding your niche. Focus on what you love and what you are knowledgeable about. Popular niches on Pinterest include fashion, food and drink, home decor, health and fitness, DIY and crafts. Once you identify your niche, create boards that reflect your interests. Make sure to pin content that not only interests you but also resonates with your audience. Consistency is key here. Regularly update your boards with fresh content to keep your followers engaged. To maximize your reach, you need to optimize your pins for Pinterest SEO. This means using relevant keywords in your pin descriptions, board titles, and even in your profile. Tools like Pinterest Trends and keyword planners can help you identify what users are searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content to improve your visibility. Now let's get into the exciting part. How to monetize your Pinterest presence. Here are some effective strategies. Share affiliate links through your pins. When someone clicks on your pin and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Choose products relevant to your niche for better results. If you have your own products or crafts, showcase them on your pins. Link directly to your online store. Promote your services like coaching, consulting, or freelance work. Create pins that explain what you offer and link to your service page. As you grow your audience, brands may approach you for collaborations. Sponsored pins can be a lucrative source of income. Once you start creating content, it is essential to track your performance using Pinterest Analytics. This tool allows you to see which pins are performing well, who your audience is, and how they interact with your content. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what works best. Consistency is crucial for success on Pinterest. Here are some tips. Plan your pins in advance to ensure regular posting. Use tools like Tailwind to schedule your pins at optimal times when your audience is most active. Respond to comments, repin relevant content, and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. And that's a wrap up on how to make money on Pinterest as a beginner. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start your Pinterest journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have any questions or want to share your Pinterest success story? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.